Money by say my me selector. Google got candidates who Jomano Gonel, man. Selector,
Yo. Yeah man, big up yourself your tricks, you understand? Yeah man, one of the baddest. Yeah man, Mr. Africa. I will talk about now the whole entire universe. I will say he is the baddest. Yeah man, none of them can compare. You understand? You have a talented voice now the whole entire universe. Yeah man, like monster. You understand? This one is the producer of this baddest radio man. This one is the punchers now the whole entire universe. But this one is tricks. This one is the baddest now. Yeah. The vocalist that the whole entire Africa that me I say. Yeah man, I'm talented this one.
Like this love don't last forever. Tell me what are you feeling right now? I don't wanna lose you, don't wanna leave you, but I got to go. Say I hope you'll be alright, and I'm becoming on my way.
I watch this girl them there.
This love, don't you say you need when I feel like I should sing the song. I'll be here, right? You'll be here.
Yeah.
99.9 FM, guys. I have a very important message to start by saying Prophet Passion, Mr. Zizo, Mike, na Madam Boss. Fuck you. I mean, fuck you. Like, you're so stupid, you know? How on earth? Okay, Madam Boss, no more aside since you have been having issues in Mighty for quite a while. But how on earth does a man, a normal man, you know, you want to promote your show, so-called show, whatever it is, you use a woman, you call yourself a prophet. I don't understand. You Zizo. Do you think for a second Mr. Java will ever like you? He does not even care about you. He only took you because you are Mighty X and I and for, I don't know, for the record, why would you accept such a lame deal? Passion always go like down. And like even take a look panga kushanda na Enzo, you see Enzo angasa to Monzuike and whatnot, and then pakango baona Enzo, you see what is happening right now. Passion is not a music promoter, he's a music destroyer. Actually Zizo anangwa garasinga tokude, people liked you because waidana na my titi, and now you are dissing my titis like you are ending your own career, you are being your own enemy. Madam Boss, I won't say anything because na my titi munozana. Iwewe Jaffe wewe. Chimondu uza jokwadi. We know what exactly are you? Are you cheapers or are you a man of God or you are a gold digger? What exactly are you? You started as a man of God. Now you are promoting shows, making money out of artists instead of helping them. I knew it from the start, Kuti. You are not music lover. You are actually trying to make money out of artists, which is why Enzo agazoimba urikuchireko kana tea yacho isna sugar. You are such an idiot.